Yeah. All right, go.
Did you go through it?
We did. Are we not on the other side? Come on, do it. All right, Junior, so you left your mark on this 230, huh?
There was a stick in the way, and it didn't want to cooperate.
Yeah, looks like you left your mark on the front fender too, didn't you?
Just a bit.
Just a bit.
Get many hours this year?
And you got a soaker, didn't you?
Yeah,
we're just getting started.
Yeah, it's definitely a little bit of a bottle.
Yeah, you won't melt.
Tell the next one.
Logan's just styling.
I'm feeling better about it. So
You're missing a bolt, so.
Oh, losing bolts. Logan's leaving a trail of bolts. Yeah.
Because he's got what I have.
Is the other side still in?
This thing right here, this is gone too, but I tested that.
Is the other side still in?
I had it. Did you? Yeah. Was it bad? Which one is he? You think that'd be?
Man, what a cluster to ride through this. This is gnarly. Look at all the trees down. I did see a little path that way though. We'll try that on the way back.
Can you believe this?
What a mess.
Dude, this is definitely a twister. Definitely.
Yeah. Inline winds.
Huge trees.
No, that is no
like
joke.
a little.
And it's just like all the way down. You can't get around it.
It's like a swath of this one.
I just over that one, and then we just went Hamilton one time.
And we didn't have to do what
It looked like
crazy.
Holy crap, Brody?
We should get like a little patch shovel. Make a little jump there.
took halfway out of everything.
No, this whole thing, it's like
a boom, boom.
Just trees everywhere, man. And riding through it's just gnarly.
must have been like
ripped them and broke them, but halfway it was just a.
Yeah, well, we got more coming up, guys. We ain't done.
No.
It's a bit of a ridge here.
They're trying to make it through. Oh, here he comes. He's trying to come through here.
We're like, oh, at least we know where the trail is.
Yeah, oh, these guys made it. They're coming through.
Where the fuck is the trail?
It's right over here.
It's on this side, dude.
Over there, around here. No shit, huh?
Yeah.
Is this way? Is this Big O, right?
Yep.
All right. That last little patch, I got all kind.
Oh yeah, we got all twisted up too, but that's half the fun, right?
Yeah. I was down on some other road.
We
back
heard
and
we
forth
heard a
and-
two-stroke and we're like, oh, we'll let him show. And then we heard you stop and we're like, well, that was.
They didn't make it.
Yeah, exactly. So this goes. You guys are on the Big O, right? Where'd you guys come from?
Whiskey Creek.
We know it goes somewhere because it's.
It could take
Why,
us.
where are you going?
Back to 32nd Street.
Oh, by the little O, big
Yeah,
O?
back to Little O. Is Little O this way or is it
Holy shit, I think
Little
you're
O's-
going the long way there. I think.
Yeah.
the Little O's that way?
We don't know.
It's
Look-
We don't know.
No.
We don't know.
It's east of here.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
North of here.
You got a map?
Northeast, yeah.
You got a map?
Northeast of here.
GPS, but
You're way down
help
south, man.
out, Mud.
Oh, this actually works.
Oh, you got signal there, Logan?
If you keep it on when you start, it'll track you. But it can't download.
Man, look at all the
any data.
stumps.
So if you download the map and you stay to
Look at all the stumps that are up. It just went through here as far as you can see. They're on some roof.
A for effort.
Yeah.
That was glorious.
That's what they make skid plates for.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Use the chainsaw, right?
Got yeah.
All right, guys. Well,
Yeah. I would have never thought to do that.
He's got some trails. He's got some trails.
yeah, hair scrambles.
Yeah.
Plenty of those. You get stuck.
I haven't done many wheelies on it in the last 2 years. I don't know why. Well, I didn't have it for a couple months this
You
summer.
gotta get so zeroed in, but you were zeroed in when
Yeah.
I saw you.
Millennials,
One
old
time.
school guys.
Where?
Millennials,
Where's the cool guys?
old school guys. Old school guys. Millennials,
You got
old
service
school
out here?
guys.
I got the map.
And we're lost. And
That ain't so bad.
all right, we made it to the Ruby Creek Tavern for lunch stop. Welcome to Ruby Creek. There it says it. Right there, we made it. Time to gas up.
Ooh, that don't sound good.
That don't sound good.
The end of it. Or do it again?
Oh yeah, into the creek. Yeah. Oh.
Pull the clutch in, son.
No,
No,
edge
you want an engine brake that.
of brake all the way down.
That's what I did.
Are you hitting sticks and stuff?
All right, going this one.
You're gonna have it. Oh!
It's Ronnie Mac.
Ronnie Mac.
That was all right, Luke.
Yeah, that's a Ronnie Mac
You
move.
got real close.
Did he get you wet? Oh, look! Oh, he's hung up. Help him before he drowns.
Oh, you are a gutsy motherfucker. Oh my god, that was a good save from.
All right.
Oh, dude. Oh,
Get this.
dump the water out of your boots.
My knee hurts a little bit.
You gonna live, Junior?
Yeah. Hey, good thing is
You dumped it in the puddle.
Oh, totally. I got it.
oh, I hit that first one and then there's a rut in there. Yeah, kickstand.
No, it sucks you in. You just gotta roll with it there.
I can't believe you were like going right inside him. And you were catching him.
I'm back. Leave a comment below. Like it. Share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.